So what's up, guys? It's currently Friday. What the fuck? Friday. It's currently Tuesday. Trying to make today a good day. I just got up there 20 minutes ago or so. I'm going to go pick up David. We have to go to the junkyard. I'm gonna see if I can find something for this truck. It's throwing a quote about the gas. The gas cap not being tight enough. But so I'm guessing I need another one. So I'm gonna go see if I can find one there. He needs to get something from there anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and go do that. I need to eat, so we'll probably do that sometime before or after we go to the junkyard. And I'm really bored at home. Well, I've been actually keeping myself busy, but I haven't gone to the gym in a while, and I do wanna work out. I don't like running and stuff, so I prefer to like do weights. So I do want to go to the store, maybe like Lowe's or Home Depot, and get some stuff. I was looking online to see if I can find like a barbell and some weights, but I couldn't find any. The ones that I did find were pretty expensive, and I don't know if I want to spend that much. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just get like a big tube and like some concrete stuff, whatever, and then just use that at the end for weights. And I'm pretty sure I can do a lot of stuff with that, or the basic stuff, to kind of stay consistent. And I think my dad has some dumbbells in his garage, so I'll probably go and look for those later. But yeah, I might turn into like a DIY project, making my at-home gym with stuff from a hardware store. So we'll see. Oh, and I need a mask. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm almost at David's. Okay, so me and David are already at the junkyard. I'm looking for a gas cap for my truck. He's looking for a relay thingy for another car that he's working on. But I went through 3 trucks already, like mine, and I only found 1 gas cap, so I don't know if that'll fit my truck. So we're currently looking for more. Oh, and David's wearing his Hot Boy outfit again.
I brought my fucking boots. Oh wait, it's a good thing that I brought them.
Yeah, for real. So I only found this one. I didn't find any more trucks like mine, so I guess that's it. But now we're looking for David's part. So yeah. Oh, and then David said that if we look preggo, it's because we are. David, show your stomach again. What quarantine does to you.
It's a burger.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep looking for his part now, and then we're gonna head back home. Let's see if this works. I really hope it does. Yeah. Alright, so me and my mens are back from the junkyard. Back from the junkyard. Pretty sleepy, so I got myself a Red Bull. I never get Red Bulls.
No?
I'm like, fuck it.
Is that all they had right now?
No, but I was just
or
like,
did you want wings?
I want wings. my wings fell when I fell from the sky,
so you need a.
So I gotta replace them. Okay, so the light never came on even after changing the cap, and it's still throwing some cold. So David's gonna erase those for me so I can get my truck smogged. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And also, I still think Monster's better than Red Bull. TBH. How many codes?
Alright, the code. It was 4. I erased them now. Oh wait, I need to leave it here so that we could look at the monitors.
We have to go first.
Do you see how these are doing? this one, and that one need to turn green as well. And so, if these three turn green before the code turns back on, then we could take it to smog. If it turns back on before those, then we need to fix the problem.
So
Money pit.
so yeah, we shouldn't really be doing that. But the parts are gonna take a while to order, and I need to renew my registration. But I need to get it smog. So this is
Smog comes first.
yeah, the smog comes first, and we're just trying to get it smogged, and then we're still gonna fix the issues anyways. But I just really need to get it smogged and get that done so before it expires, and all the DMVs and everything is closed. So I want to get that done now, so I can get my registration soon, and then I'm gonna start ordering the parts anyways. I think we need to replace the pedal sensor, right? Some sensor within the pedals.
Oh yeah, the pedal
Yeah.
throttle position.
Yeah, the pedal throttle position. It's a throttle.
Position sensor.
Throttle position sensor. Yeah. So that, and then there was the emissions or leak, right, or something like that.
Yeah.
But I think that's because of the gas cap. So we replaced that, but I don't know if it'll work. It looked completely different to how my old gas cap looks. So we'll see. But now we need to drive around and hopefully those clear. So yeah. See you in a bit. So I ended up driving around with David. I just dropped them off. I still need to clear out one more code, but apparently I have to leave my truck off for a couple hours, and then it'll clear off. But so I dropped off David. Now I'm headed back home. I'm gonna work on some things on the computer, and then we'll check back and see if it finally cleared. So now that I'm home, I still want to work out later, or yeah, later, because I'm feeling kind of shitty right now. But before I do go, I need some weights, and I think my dad has some at his house. So I'm gonna go and look for them, and then bring them over. We have synthetic grass in our yard, so it always kind of feels really nice to just go and lay down out there. Maybe do some stretching or something. I'm gonna go to my dad's and then see what he has, and then work with that, and then I'll just work out later, but I want to get that done first. So I just finished my workout, but I'm so out of shape that I even threw up. Well, I didn't eat so well today either. I had In-N-Out with David earlier, and I had 2 burgers, and then I've been eating like shit lately as well. So I feel like that had something to do with it. But overall, I had a pretty good workout. Now I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna make something to eat while my stomach kind of settles after I threw up. But I feel pretty good though. So I just ended up with some noodles and some chicken. So that, and then I'm gonna finish watching some YouTube videos, and then that's pretty much my whole day. So yeah, so I'm pretty much done with the video. I don't know how to do any outros, but I'm gonna keep on filming. I kind of really did enjoy doing the workout thing today, so maybe I'll do more videos on how to work out at home with just what you got. And yeah, so we'll see you on the next video.